How are you all? Great, you all are fine. And now, as we have completed the lessons of English, now it's time for grammar. We will be starting grammar from today. We have 4 lessons in this exam, so you have to prepare yourself for all the 4 lessons. Okay, so let's start with the first lesson. And I hope you all are ready with your grammar books, with your pencils and with your erasers. Ready now? Yes. So let's start. Lesson number 1, that is describing words, adjectives. Now come on, tell me what is adjective. We have done this in first standard. Do you remember what is adjective? Yes. Adjective is a word that describes noun. मतलब adjective एक ऐसा word है जो noun की quality बताता है. मतलब जो noun कैसा है, वो बड़ा है, वो छोटा है, वो small है, वो big है, वो huge है, वो tiny है, वो old है या new है, ये सारी जब विशेषता हमें बताता है, means it describes the noun, at that time we call it adjective. मीन्स, और हमेशा याद रखो जब भी हमें एडजेक्टिव फाइंड करना होता है तो नाउन का पहला वाला जो वर्ड होता है वो हमेशा एडजेक्टिव होता है. अंडरस्टूड? यस. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द चैप्टर. लुक एट द पिक्चर्स बिलो एंड रीड द सेंटेंस. यस, लुक एट द पिक्चर्स एंड रीड द सेंटेंस. द रोज इज अ ब्यूटिफुल फ्लावर. नाउ फ्लावर इज व्हाट? फ्लावर इज अ नाउन. हाउ इज द फ्लावर? It is beautiful. It means the word beautiful is defining or it is describing a flower. So how is the flower? Flower is beautiful. So what is the adjective? Correct. Beautiful is the adjective. Next, the black buffalo gives more milk. Now which buffalo gives more milk? Black buffalo gives more milk. So what is the adjective in this word? Black is the adjective because it is describing the buffalo. Next, the horse has a bushy tail. Now what is bushy? What is the adjective? Bushy is the adjective here because horse has a bushy tail means it is describing the tail. How is the tail? Tail is bushy. She is a kind woman. We are talking about a woman here. So how is that woman? She is kind. So kind is a describing word. So here in the second, in the next paragraph it is given the word beautiful tells us about the noun flower. The word black describes the noun buffalo. The word bushy describes the tail of the horse. And the word kind tells us about the woman. Correct. So beautiful, black, bushy, kind, these all are describing words. These are called as adjectives. So adjective is, what is adjective? It is describing words. Adjective tells us more about the noun, about their shape, about their size, about their color or about their number. So whenever we talk about shape or we talk about size or we talk about color, those things are described as adjectives. So let's do this quick activity. Circle the adjective and underline the noun they describe. Mrs. Sharma is a pretty lady. About whom we are talking? Mrs. Sharma. And how is Mrs. Sharma? She is pretty. So pretty is the adjective. Come on, underline this word. Yes. Ben is very happy. Whom we are talking about? We are talking about Ben. So how is Ben? Ben is happy. So underline the word adjective, word happy, it's an adjective. The grapes are sour. How are the grapes? They are sour. Sour means khatta. Khatte angur hote hai na? Yes. So the grapes are sour. So what is the adjective? Yes, adjective is sour. The dog found a large stick. What dog found? He found a large stick. So as I told you earlier, whenever we are talking about the size, that size is considered as adjective. So large is a size. So here the adjective is large. She wore a red dress to the dance. What she wore? She wore a dress. But what kind of a dress? Red dress. So what is an adjective? Red is an adjective. Correct. Now let's solve the exercise. Fill in the blanks with suitable adjective from the help box. Tasty, fast, funny, slow, red, hot, cold and green. So we have to find the correct word from this, and we have to fill in the blanks. So what is the first? I met a dash man. I met a funny man. Correct. An aeroplane is a dash means of transport. What is the fastest mean of transport? Aeroplane is the fastest mean. So what will be the answer? An aeroplane is a fast means of transport. Bullock cart and bicycles are dash means of transport. We all know bullock cart and bicycle are slow means of transport. So what is the answer? The answer is slow. I have a dash dress. What I have? I have a red dress. You should eat lots of dash vegetable. What you should do? You should eat lots of green vegetables. Correct. Soup is dash, but juice is dash. Find the correct answer from the help box. Soup is hot, but juice is cold. Correct. The food is dash. The food is tasty. Correct. So come on, you have to complete this. Okay. Now let's go to question number 2. From the following sentences, choose the adjective and nouns and write them in the blanks. The sentence has been given to you, and underlines has been given to identify the adjective and to identify the nouns. So we will read this sentence and we will find out. First is deserts are hot. Now what is the adjective? Yes, hot is an adjective because it is describing desert. So hot is adjective and noun is deserts. Next, a lion is a fierce animal. Now how is lion? It's a fierce animal. So we will be writing fierce as an adjective and lion and animal as nouns. Next, Ronnie is rich. Now how is Ronnie? Ronnie is rich. And what is the noun? Ronnie. Ladakh is quiet and a peaceful place. Now how is Ladakh? Ladakh is quiet and it is peaceful. So quiet and peaceful are adjective and Ladakh and place are noun. The swimming pool is large and deep. Now what are the adjectives? There are two adjectives in this. One is large and another one is deep. And what is the noun? Swimming pool. Wipe your face with a cold and wet towel. Now what is the cool and wet? And what are the noun? Yes, face and towel. Delhi has wide roads. Now what is adjective? Wide is an adjective and nouns are, there are two nouns, Delhi and road. So you have to complete question number 2 as well. Question number 3. Fill in the blanks with nouns to match the given adjective. One has been done for you. A big playground. An old book. A pretty flower. An orange frock. A heavy basket. A sunny day. Some dried leaves. So this is very easy. You can do this by yourself also, and if you want to change the answer, you can change it as well. Question number 4. Fill in the blanks with the opposite of the describing words. Your shoes are very dirty but mine are dash. Means what we have to do? We have to write the opposite word of the red word given in the sentence. So your shoes are very dirty but mine are dash. Now what is the opposite of dirty? It is clean. So the right answer is clean. An ant is tiny but elephant is dash. What is the opposite of tiny? Yes, it's huge. Wood is heavy but cotton is light. The opposite of heavy is light. My brother is tall but my sister is, what is the opposite of tall? Yes, short. So my brother is tall and my sister is short. The cat is old. Sorry, the car is old, but this car is dash. So what will be the correct answer? What is the opposite of old? Yes, the opposite of old is new. So that car is old, but this car is new. Now question number 5. Write down 4 adjectives to describe your partner. Exchange your book with your partner and see what he or she has written to describe you. You can also show your describing words to the class. But अब हमारा partner तो है नहीं because we are not in the school. So what we will do? We will be writing 4 adjectives of we will be writing 2 adjectives of mama and 2 adjectives of papa. You have to describe your mama and papa in 2 words. Okay, so this will be your homework. So what you have to do, you have to copy down this question, all the questions or all these answers in your English grammar textbook, and you have to complete the lesson and you have to send it for checking. Clear everyone? Yes, it is the easiest lesson and we have done this already in first standard. Now it is quite easy, more easier for us because we have understood it properly. Understood now? That's great. Okay then, bye. Your exams are coming soon, so you have to study hard. You have to learn everything and you have to get prepared for your examination. Okay? Chalo, bye. See you in the next lecture. Bye-bye. Take care.